How to use Scott's Step 2 Lawn Fertilizer. Scott's Lawn Pro Step 2 Weed Control Plus Fertilizer prevents some weeds and feeds your lawn at the same time. The fertilizer analysis is a 29-3-3 mix of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium with other ingredients to kill and prevent weeds from growing. The best time for application is late spring from early April to mid-June. Depending on local conditions, weeds should be growing, but it should be before dandelion blooms begin to show. Proper application according to instructions will feed a lawn for 2 months. Things you'll need: fertilizer spreader. Mow the lawn prior to application. Water the lawn to moisten both grass and weeds for best results. Set the fertilizer spreader rate to provide even coverage. A 14-pound bag will cover 5,000 square feet of lawn. Begin fertilization with 2 header strips across opposite ends of the lawn's shortest width. Make application strips down the length of the lawn, overlapping the wheel marks on drop spreaders and about 5 feet apart on rotary broadcast spreaders. Tips: warnings. Walk at a steady, even pace, pushing the spreader ahead of you. At the end of each application pass, release the dispensing lever, turn the spreader for the next pass and begin the next strip. Do not apply this product more than twice a year. Do not over-apply the fertilizer. Do not apply this fertilizer to gardens, shrubs or other areas other than grass lawns. This fertilizer weed control product is not suitable for St. Augustine grass, creeping bent grass, dichondra, centipede grass or bahia lawns. Do not water the grass for 24 hours after application and do not apply fertilizer when rain is expected within 24 hours.